So tonight's final, we've got Omar Mosaad, the #1 seed from Egypt, taking on Mathieu Castagnet, the #3 seed from France. What Castagnet is doing here, he's moving the ball, but he's extending. So if he does lose the first game, he's not going to be panicking in any way, the Frenchman. But at the moment, he's got the most positive start.
Well, if he keeps playing like this, he's not losing this first game.
4-1.
Yeah, that's a wonderful shot from Omar Mosaad. I thought the volley drop in initially was good, but Castagnet came in and played a very good counter back, and this is perfect from Omar Mosaad.
Well, Castagnet's got to have the confidence to take balls in. If they're there, he's got to put Mosaad under pressure. If he becomes very passive, then he's going to get picked off, which is what's happening now, really. This is lovely use of height, though, from Mosaad. It gives him time to get back to the tee line. First time Castagnet's been able to dictate a rally. It could get blown away there.
Decision Castagnet, no let.
So the no let given. Mosaad has steamrolled through this second phase of the first game.
1 game to love.
So 4-1 lead in the second here for Mathieu Castagnet, trailing by 1 game to love.
That's a great counter from Castagnet.
That's better, he's accelerating onto the ball.
We're starting to use the front corners, as you said a couple of rallies ago, and it's really doing damage to Mosaad, isn't it? Because he's having to go back into an area.
Well, it's a very hard movement to make. This is like a deja vu, isn't it? Castagnet was
back to 6-2.
6-2 up in the first when Mosaad suddenly woke up. See the busyness already from Castagnet. If he's trapped behind Mosaad, he's going to come off.
Down.
It's a squeeze. It wasn't the softest of shots, but it was very effective because it was so tight to the sidewall from Castagnet.
10-7, game ball. Down.
And there's the unforced error. So the French warrior gives it the fist bump.
Castagnet, 1 game all. Down.
It's going to give Castagnet a lot of confidence, that backhand volley. It's the first one we've seen from Castagnet of that quality. There's the power. Will Mosaad start to make a move as we approach the business end of this third?
Down.
It's good strength there from Castagnet.
That's the way to finish it.
Well, Mosaad's appealing this one.
The ball was good.
Mosaad feels the ball was down. Castagnet's flown straight off court. Mosaad wants to see it on the replay. Let's have a look at this one. Castagnet's thumped it.
11-8, game to Castagnet.
What do you think there?
Well, my first initial thought was it was up. Good. Well, that's well played by Omar Mosaad. He was working Castagnet all around the court there.
Quality was right up there once again for Mosaad. Castagnet conceding his pickup.
Well, see the reaction of Mosaad says it all.
7-4.
Can't believe it, can he? He's there, he's thinking it's going to be a stroke, and Castagnet gets out of the way very quickly.
No, it's good movement from Castagnet.
Well, one thing we can be sure of is that Omar Mosaad will keep on fighting here.
Down.
Well, another point on the board for Mathieu Castagnet. He's done it. Mathieu Castagnet's going to get the stroke. It's a massive, massive win for Mathieu Castagnet. Completely exhausted Omar Mosaad, but this Frenchman has never won anything close to this size. He is on cloud 9 here in London. Terrific tournament for the French warrior. So 83 minutes in this final here in the Canary Wharf Classic, and it's Castagnet that overcomes Omar Mosaad. 6-11, 11-7, 11-8, 11-5, 3 games to 1.